I look scary, huh? Just got done with the run walk. I wasn't able to run or walk that good. My hammy is still tight from the other day, but just engaged in some nasal breathing for the run walk, and took her nice and easy for once, and that felt pretty good. And then later today I'm going to probably going to lift, but also going to go to Bodega Bay, and hopefully when I'm up there I'm rested enough to run and hit those hills up hard. Sitting here with some news on. Got my little eating partner over here. I got some crock pot meat. I got some eggs and sausage. And there just happened to be a little bit of cheese left, so I threw a hunk of cheese over here. And I got some milk going with some heavy cream in it. Starting day number 44. This is for our show. Me and my brother's World Carnivore News Report. This is our sign that we got going on here. Looks amazing. What you guys thinking about this crusty beard, huh? Getting a little furry. Heading home. It is 2 p.m., right on the nose. Gonna cook up some meat for me and my brother. I think I'll just make up some hamburgers. I got a lot of other options too, so maybe I'll cook up a little variety of things from some of the butcher stuff I got yesterday. And then I'm gonna head up to Bodega Bay. I think my brother might head up there with me too. I might lift on the way up, or I might just get some training in tomorrow. I didn't lift yesterday either, and it's really rare for me to have 2 days in a row off of lifting, but it's passable. We'll see what happens. I don't really sweat it when it happens. I just let it go if it needs to go. I did run this morning, so I got some exercise in and some training in, but you know, I just want to make it clear that I don't feel like bad about it. I actually feel good about it because it's nice to get that rest. Our bodies need a little bit of rest from that kind of manual labor and that type of lifting. And so, you know, I have been staying really up to date on my squats though, so I'll get it sorted out. I forgot about them squats. I should have squatted today, but I got tied up with too many things, and now I'm off heading to my beach house. So I'm gonna grab some food. I'll film whatever it is that we eat. I'll show you guys what it is. Got some beef tips cooked up over here. Got some burgers going. Grabbing some lunch and hitting the road. So hot. Man, look at that. All that fat popping. Yummy. Cooked up some of these burgers. There's some butter on there. It's absolutely beautiful out here. Absolutely beautiful. Super nice. Had to catch that sun going down on this little road here. Which is always real creepy. You always think you're gonna end up eating shit. Welcome to another episode of Smelly's Smelly's Kitchen. Look at this. We got some flank steak wrapped in some gorgonzola. And there's some garlic in there. And there's some thyme on there. And look, it's all tied up in a little bow. And we're gonna cook it over here. At my beach house. Excited. Gonna be eaten by and with myself. Gonna be fantastic. Can't wait. Yo, bro. That shit ain't carnivore. It's got cheese in it. What the hell are you doing? Look at this. This is awesome. I just poured some olive oil on there too, just to really make people mad. It's got some fruit on it. I'm on that meat-based diet. Not too worried about if there's some plants in there here and there, or some dairy. It's looking really, really mighty fine, if I do say so myself. Wah, 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 wah. This looks so good. I can't wait. Sorry, that was the carnivore diarrhea going on. This looks bitchin'. Yo, so I had to set up the camera kind of weird It's propped between my glass and between my plate. Bear with me for a second here. Let me see if I can get this. This is fucking unbelievable. It has like a pepper in the middle of it. And it's steak. And it's got like gorgonzola cheese. And then it crusted in there. Let's see if I can find a crusty part. Oh my God. Wow. And look at the cheese. I'm telling you, look at the cheese. Look at that. Holy shit. This is one of the best things I've had in my time on this goddamn earth. Holy fucking dog shit. Wow. This is better than poontang pie. I don't think anything can beat that. Holy shit. Wow, Taylor's Market. I don't know how to describe it. Freaking awesome. I'll leave it at that. Finishing out another day of Carnivore 100. Just wanted to sign off. Laying in here in bed. This is the way I'm doing my editing. Got my glasses on, my reading glasses. Got the beard going. I'm all ready to go. Gonna get this edited and gonna get some sleep. Strength is never weakness. Weakness never strength. Catch y'all later.